Next question is question number 13. Question number 13 is identify the correct order of solubility in aqueous medium and different sulfides are given. What will be the order of solubility? See, higher the solubility product, higher will be the solubility. So basic clue is higher the solubility product, higher will be solubility. Sodium sulfide, being an ionic compound, is highly soluble in water. Now next is zinc sulfide and copper sulfide. Zinc sulfide, zinc is precipitated in group 4 while copper is precipitated in the analysis of second group. It means zinc sulfide is having higher solubility product. So this is having higher solubility as well. So second is zinc sulfide. Copper sulfide is having least solubility product. So this compound should have least solubility. Now we can check the answer. Sodium sulfide most soluble, then zinc sulfide, then copper sulfide. So correct answer is option 3. So answer is option 3. Now the next question, question number 14. Question number 14 is what is the activation energy for a reaction if its rate doubles when the temperature is raised from 20 degree to 35 degree centigrade? In order to solve the question, we will use the Arrhenius equation. Log K2 by K1 is equal to activation energy 2.303 R 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Here log K2 by K1. Initially the rate constant is X. On increasing the temperature, rate doubles. So log K2 by K1, that is log 2. This is activation energy which we have to calculate. 2.303 R. R is universal gas constant and its value is 8.314. This is 1 by T1. T1 is the initial temperature. It is given 20 degree centigrade. So 20 degree centigrade, that is 293 Kelvin. Minus 1 by T2, final temperature is 35 degree centigrade. So it becomes 303 Kelvin. If we solve this, the value of activation energy is coming 34.67 kilojoule per mole. Now see the option. The second option is the closest option. So answer is second option. Next question is question number 15. Let's see the next question. Question number 15. A hydrogen gas electrode is made by dipping platinum wire in a solution of HCl of pH 10 and by passing hydrogen gas around the platinum wire at 1 atmospheric pressure. The oxidation potential would be, it means we have to find out the oxidation potential of hydrogen electrode. It can be calculated using Nernst equation, and Nernst equation के according the oxidation electrode potential is equal to 0.0591 log 1 by H positive ion. Here in this question, value of pH is given, pH is 10. So H ion concentration will become 10 raised to power minus 10 molar. Put the value in this Nernst equation. Oxidation potential 0.0591. This is log 1 by 10 raised to power minus 10. If we solve this, the answer is coming 0.591. So see the option. The first option is 0.59 volt. So this one is the correct option. So we will mark the answer as option number 1. Next question is question number 16. Question number 16 is the value of Planck's constant is 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joules second. The speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 17 nanometer per second. Which one is the closest to the wavelength in nanometer of light with frequency of 6 into 10 raised to power 15 meter per second? So in this question, speed of light is given in nanometer and we need to find the wavelength also in nanometer. The relationship between speed and frequency of any photon, that is C, is equal to nu into lambda. Here speed of light is given 3 into 10 raised to power 17 nanometer per second. Frequency of light is given 6 into 10 raised to power 15 meter per second, and we have to calculate the wavelength. So wavelength becomes 3 into 10 raised to power 17 by 6 into 10 raised to power 15. If we solve this lambda is coming out 1 by 2 into 10 raised to power 17, 10 raised to power minus 15. So here the answer becomes 0.5 into 10 raised to power 2, or this is equal to 50 nanometer. See the options 25. The second option is correct option. 50 is given. So answer of this question is option number 2. Value is 50 nanometer. Now the next question is question number 17.